smoother.
Hello guys, there's this weird buzzing noise. I think it's the servo. If you guys have any idea or anything that you think that could fix it, please tell me. Just comment on the comment list below. Thank you.